is a group of energy and petrochemicals companies that operates in more than 100 countries and territories. One of the world's biggest energy company. They employ around 102,000 staff in centers across the world. From scientists to business experts, their employees and contractors work to deliver their research and development program, finding innovative solutions to the world's energy challenge. They commit to contribute to sustainable development, balancing short and long-term interests, and integrating economic, environmental, and social considerations into their decision-making. According to Fortune 500, they are the world's #1 company.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining the conference. Due to the recent environmental issues that have arisen, as the main more of Red Dot Shell, I have called this conference to discuss how we are to tackle this problem and reflect on current business development. So, what do we have so far?
Good morning, Kate. According to our latest research, there weren't any changes of the fortified forces we applied. Our main competitors remain BP, Exxon, and Total, which are all established organizations in the petrol market. In addition, there aren't any threats of new entrants, as they would have to generate a large revenue in order to sustain in the petrol market. We can, however, conclude that the bargaining power of the buyer are little to non-existent, since this business is a monopoly.
Using SWOT analysis is an easy way to see what the company is good at doing, what it needs to improve on, what opportunities it has upcoming in the foreseeable future, and possible threats that could affect the company. From the recent research we have carried out, we found and analyzed the following information. As we have from being a well-known company has led to Shell being the 5th biggest worldwide petroleum provider, and at the same time dominate the petroleum market in the UK and most of Europe. The current weaknesses we have involve shortage of raw materials, management issues, and pressure groups. The upcoming opportunities for our company will include the ability of capturing CO2 and investing in all of our projects around the world with respect to being more competitive. The potential threats that could arise are to do with the energy crisis and a potential rise of market price. Also, we could be affected from competitors like BP and their decisions to bring down the cost of petroleum.
Hi, Kate. As for the internal development of our enterprise, our department has concluded it is a must that we adopt a sufficient model to delegate our core functions under. The Pastel model has proven to be the most relevant and concise to our objectives in being responsive and competitive. Therefore, till our next board meeting, we will conduct our development under 6 concentrated areas as a framework. This will cover political influences involving different union trades, economical factors such as taxes, social awareness for our brand, technological development, legal constraints regarding new legislations, and the environmental issues at hand.
Yes, Kate. The energy crisis we face has forced us to close petrol stations in the UK this year. By 2050, we expect the world's population to grow by 40%. As a result, there will be a higher demand for energy. For instance, China and India, 2 countries with the largest populations, will consume more energy as its economy increases. However, easily accessible oil and natural gases are at a steady decline.
Okay, first of all, going back in 2005, the second Kuwait International Petroleum Conference and Exhibition, the progress has shown the reduction of water usage throughout the oil industry. Therefore, I'm going to continue to support these campaigns and acquire new innovative ideas. So, I will draw to undergo this task as well. However, the lack of environmental awareness throughout the globe is still underway. I'll be extending the budget to enable a more effective research and development. Nick, Using the action plan carried out in America 2 years ago, I need you to generate public awareness involving the concern over the inefficient usage of energy and alternative electric outlets for households. Right, moving on to our next project. We are planning to invest in new design technology that can access and transport oil from underneath miles of ice, oceans, and other parts of Earth crust. I would like Gia to go over the plan in America and assess where there can be a breakthrough by 2012.
Sure, I'll get onto that promptly. Furthermore, our long-term solutions for alternative resources still need to be taken into account, particularly the biofuels, hydrogen, wind, solar, and magnetic power projects. I would like to appoint Carla to tend to this in my absence.
As a whole, we will continue to expand our company and develop in our existing areas of productivity, where we will strengthen our relationships with Nigeria and various parts of Asia. More involvement needs to take place within other relevant sectors such as motor trading and general technological development. I will evaluate the findings within the next board meeting. Until then, good luck with the new action plan. Bye.
Brilliant! I hope to hear good news from you soon.